Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Iconic Kate. I'm Kate, and I wanted to recreate the makeup from Aaliyah's Try Again video. I did this look a couple of weeks ago as well for Halloween, and I just wanted to put it on camera because I know that some of you are going to be wearing your own Try Again costumes and doing your own makeup, and I just wanted to have you to be able to see how I got to this look, and hopefully you will be able to use this to help you with your costumes as well. I don't have on my costume, as you can see, because I wore this a couple of weeks ago, but at the end of this tutorial I will show the full complete look with the wig and the costume and everything for you guys. I did my brows off camera just because I didn't really do anything different to them than I usually do, so I just went ahead and did those. And now I am using the Morphe 35V palette, I believe. Kind of went in and mixed these two colors together. So I started off with this one. I'm gonna go in with this color. And I'm kind of applying that underneath the lighter color and kind of blending them together. Okay. For my transition shade, I wanted to use kind of a bluish color. So I did the same palette, and I used a mixture of these two colors right here. And as you can see, I am dragging this color all the way over because I feel like in the video, that's kind of how her eye makeup is. It almost kind of reminds me of a mask or something. It comes kind of over to the sides. So I kind of wanted to do the look that she has in the video. So next I am going to go in with a black eyeshadow in the crease. And the color that I'm going to use is from Juvia's Place, and this is the Saharan Palette, and the color I'll be using is Chat. So what I'm doing next is I'm going to go in and just make this crease a little more intensified, and I'm going to use a black eyeliner, black liquid eyeliner by Stila. So yes, I'm just blending that out. I feel like this next part is optional. I decided to cut the crease. I feel like in the video though, her crease is not cut, but like I said, it's just kind of an optional thing that I wanted to do. So there it is. I'm using my paintbrush again from Michael's. So next, I apologize. I accidentally did this eye, and I have been doing this eye off camera, so sorry. I'm just gonna put the eyeshadow on this side now. And I'm just gonna use a silver color eyeshadow. I'm gonna show you, but I don't know, you may not be able to see it that well because it's one of those Sephora eyeshadow palettes. Got it for Christmas, so I'm using this silver color on the end, and I'm just gonna go in with this Morphe brush. It's the M421, and I'm gonna just kind of pat that on. And so I did go in with more of a whitish silvery color on top of that first silver color I put on, just because I just kind of wanted to enhance that silver color more. So yeah, I just kind of used this whitish silver color right here. Going back in with that Juvia's Place palette, that color Chad that I used to do the crease, I'm going to use that same color. And I'm just going to do the outer corner. And using that Morphe brush, the M421, again, I'm just going to kind of go on the area in between the silver and the black and just kind of pat in between there just to make a transition color. Next, I'm going to take a makeup wipe and I'm just going to clean up this bottom edge of the shadow. Okay, so she has the slightest bit of color on her cheeks, so I'm just gonna go in very light-handedly and apply a little bit of blush. The Saharan Blush Palette, Volume 1 from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna use the color Neo, and it's this color right here. I'm going to apply some eyeliner on to the lower waterline. Then I'm going to go in with the black eyeshadow again from Juvia's Place and do the lower lash line. I'm going to use a smudge brush, and I got this from e.l.f. Cosmetics. So I start off by just lining the shape of my eye with it. But then I eventually will line it up with this outer part. Just because in the video, I feel like this lower lash part, this lower lash line, it's like a straight line from the lash line all the way over. And that is what kind of creates that whole mask illusion of the makeup. So I just kind of just keep building it up or lining it up with this side over here. Okay, so now that we have that completed, I wanted to just add a little bit of glitter to this look. It's totally optional. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this glitter adhesive from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Use this Makeup Forever Fixless spray. It's just like a little sample size that I got from Sephora a little while ago, and it just kind of makes the glitter stick to the brush a little bit better. Lastly, I'm gonna take this matte lipstick from Skinzi Cosmetics in the color Morning Love, and I'm gonna apply that first, and then I'm just gonna go over the top of it with a gloss. And then this gloss that I'm gonna go over the top of it with is called 24 Karat, and it's from Bare Minerals. And it just adds a clear kind of gloss to it. The rest is just all about the costume and putting on the wig. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Till next time, ciao Bella.